Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my November update to the hashtag beauty chest. So if you want to see all of the progress I've made, the roll-ins and roll-outs, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. All right, totally prepared this time. I've got the prompts, I've got my products, I've got my board, I've got everything this time. If you don't know what Beauty Chest is all about, it was created by Jessica at Makeup Misfit. She'll be listed in the description box, as well as her intro video if you want to learn more about the project. But it's based off the community chest cards from Monopoly, and it goes from September 27th of this year to August 27th of next year. It's rolling style, collection specific goals. You update on the 27th of the month. You are to start with 4 prompts, but it's very easy to roll in more than 4 prompts. Very easy. I got the roll in more than one in the very intro, so you can roll the same prompt in multiple times even within the same update. So yeah, and I think that is about it. We're going to start by going over the products I've had in the project, and then we will roll in for new ones. My cardigan is going to be giving me cardigan problems. I do have a tank top on underneath, but I want to be cardiganed up because it's November. So the first thing we were working on was Shifty Shades, which was a duo or multi-chrome or shifty shimmer. So I brought in Give Me Glow Party Monster, and I'm doing a random usage on everything that I can from 1 to 15 uses. So this got a 15 use goal on it, which for a single shadow is going to be so difficult. I haven't used it in November yet. I am filming this early for when this posts, so when we do my December update I might have some November usages, but as of right now I haven't used it in November, so we're still sitting at 3 out of 15 uses. I need to use it. I need to pick up my usage on it. That is bad YouTuber. Tisk bad. But I did tell you guys I would have makeup inventory rolled out for this update, and I do. I met all 3 goals. So this is a 3 prompter. So makeup inventory is add an item from your top 3 categories. So for my first category, that was an eyeshadow palette. So I brought in the Natasha Denona Retro palette to No Pan Left Behind, which I did on the 30th of October. So did that. Goal met. And I couldn't roll this prompt out until all 3 prompts for it were met, because I believe we met the last one for the last update, but I didn't update it, so maybe not. We had, for part 2 was blush. So I brought in the shade Half Baked from Give Me Glow, and I had a 6 use goal, and I met that goal on my birthday, October 9th. So that is a goal met and a rollout. And for makeup inventory part 3, my 3rd favorite category is highlighter. So I brought in this Jeffree Star Diamond Wet Supreme Frost. And as you can see, I'm working on the very center of the star there. I had a 5 use goal on this guy, and I met that goal on the 30th of October as well. So all 3 of those are a goal met. So for that one, I'll just be rolling in 1 prompt. Not 3, I'll be rolling in 1, but I'm very happy to have that as a goal met. Then we had new palette release, which is add any palette. So I brought in the Nomad Pacific Northwest palette, and I wanted to No Pan Left Behind this. I did 3 looks with it, the 3 that you see here, and I met my goal on the 21st of October. It's beautiful. It's stunning. I actually ended up doing a 4th look with the greens. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, lovely, fantastic. Can't say enough good things about the palette. Then we have Sephora VIB, which is most expensive. So I brought in this Nude Sticks blush in the shade Picante, which looks like this. It is orange, but it's actually a really wearable orange. It's really beautiful. I did try to use the brush once. The brush is awful. Wouldn't use the brush. Like, unless I was traveling and forgot a blush brush and didn't have anything with me, and in a pinch it could work, but it's not, like, my brushes are better. But I had a 4-use goal on this. I used it all 4 times in October, and I met my goal on October 27th. So that is also a rollout. Boom, boom, diggity. And then we had affiliate codes, which is another beauty YouTuber, Panner's Pan Inspired. So this is just to pay homage to another YouTuber. So I brought in my Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Blush. And it got a 14-use goal, which I don't mind talking about DW for a while. I ended up buying 2 of these on accident. I sent one to DW. She loves this blush. She's gotten some of our friends to pick up this blush, and so I need to give it more love than I have. I've used it once. I was really working on that Give Me Glow blush, and then I've been wearing a lot of purple blush, and this just didn't pair with that, so I need to just wear some nude blush and wear this because it is gorgeous, and I could really just, for November, kick this out. So hopefully this one will be a goal met for December because it is just such an easy blush to wear, but 1 out of 14 uses. But hey, I did really good. We met 3 goals, well, 5 goals, but for the roll-in purposes, 3 goals. So let's get the wheel up and running and see what we will be rolling in. Beauty chest, screen record, and the first one is Birthday Money. I'll tell you what these are in 2 seconds. Birthday Money. Then we have Get Ready With Me. And free shipping. So let's see. Birthday Money. Anything you want. Add, remove, shimmery, etc. Okay. Got it. Get Ready With Me is out of season. Okay. Seasonal makeup, not current in season. And then free shipping is add an extra product. Okay, hang on. So, I'm gonna grab my products because free shipping is add 2. So, part 1, 2, 3. Free shipping. Part 2. So, I'm gonna add those. I think for Birthday Money, I'm gonna veto the single shadow. I think I'm gonna veto this just because I've given it 3 uses, and that is already what I do in my Imageddon project pan. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for Birthday Money is I'm gonna veto this and roll this out. especially since we're rolling in 2 products for free shipping. So I'm going to grab something out of season, and I'm going to grab 2 things for free shipping, and I will be right back. And then before I go grab my products, because we need to be working on 4 items, and since I'm vetoing something, I rolled in Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, which is most affordable. So I'm going to grab something out of season, something affordable, and then just 2 other products that I want to bring in. So now I'm going to go grab all of my products, and I'll be right back. So sorry. Okie dokie, so I have my 4 products, and we're gonna roll for random usages. So for Get Ready With Me, I have another Give Me Glow blush, and this is the shade 1 in a Melon, because I would use this more spring, summer, and it's fall, winter now. So we're gonna do 1 through 15 random use, and we got 1. So I have to use this once. 1 use. Hey, sometimes the panning gods are nice to me. I already have a blush in here for a high usage goal, so that blush only has 1 use. Next, for free shipping, my first product, I'm bringing in the Morphe Cloud Light Powder, and I have mine in the shade Dawn. As you can see, we can already kind of see the waffle pan underneath. So our random usage is 3. Okay, are we gonna get low usages on everything? 3 uses. And for free shipping part 2, I'm bringing in my Bare Minerals Liquid Concealer in Very Fair 0.5N. And our random use for that is 4. 4 uses. Wow. This is wild. And last but not least, for Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, that was something affordable. I'm bringing in this Lovecraft Beauty eyeliner in the shade Stripped. It's just a nude eyeliner. And let's see our random uses. 1. Okay. The panning gods could not have been nicer to me. I guess I vetoed the hard object and they were like, okay, we'll give you a break. We'll be nice. So we're going to have probably a full refresh for December. Okay, I'll take it. I'm going to take it. I'm not, we're not going to talk about it. So that is everything. We have the Get Ready With Me blush, the free shipping products, and the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. And then for birthday money, I vetoed the Give Me Glow single. So we won't talk about that again next month. That is already done and rolled out, and I don't need to work on that anymore. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this very chaotic update to Beauty Chest. That's how this rolls, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.